Hello everyone, it's me Dom here again, and today I have a sponsored video by Keeb's project. So they sent me these strawberry jelly V3 linear switches and they wanted me to take a look at them. I actually have the V2 with me, sent to me by PCB Malaysia, but I never got to take a look at them because I got too busy with life and never edited the video, but it's okay. Today we're talking about the V3s. So let's get right into the start of the show today, the jelly pink V3s. So the main difference between the V3 and the V2 is the top housing. They've changed it to nylon instead of the old PC semi-translucent pink top. So you can expect a lower pitch top out sound, which I actually prefer. Nowadays there are a lot of like PC top nylon bottom palm stem switches and it's getting really boring. So full nylon switches have been my jam for like the past month or two. And also they added this like hole at the bottom where the stem hole will like bottom out. But apparently it makes it less loud, and I do hear that in actuality, but I won't be comparing it today. Spring wise, it's a 52 gram spring and 23mm, so it's going to be like a really snappy top out experience. Definitely better than the normal 14mm. I actually really highly recommend these. These also come factory lube, and I dare say that it's an endgame switch because you don't need to lube it at all. Like I don't hear any spring ping or any leaf ping or crunch from my samples at all. So I've had these for almost a month and I've been using it stock the whole time. That's just how good these are. So let me talk less, I'll pop them in my bucket echo and we shall listen to how it sounds. So I've got 3 plate options and I think today I'm gonna go with palm because I want like a lower pitch sound. So let's get building. I'll be building it in my trusty bucket echo as usual. Damn, it actually looks really good. Like this white pink colorway. I wish I had GMK Darling, but I'm not rich, so we'll have to settle for something less today. And we're done. This is what we have here. And we're done. This is the final setup that we're going to use for the sound test. Just look at that. Alright, so let me give some closing thoughts. These are priced at RM1.25 each and they deliver like honest to god alpaca level of smoothness. So we're paying actually very little money for like a really good linear. It doesn't need film and I think it doesn't even need to lube. So it's like just drop it in and go, and it looks cute as a really nice bonus. Plus it's different from like all the boring PC tops like I said before. So I think this is like a really good variety for people, and if you're interested, check them out at Keeb's Project's Shopee. That's all from me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.